In the previous modules, we covered the closing process and worked through several Arizona-style exam questions about escrow and settlement procedures. Now, let's focus on memory tools and common exam traps related to real estate closings. Understanding these shortcuts can help you answer questions faster and avoid common mistakes on the Arizona real estate exam. Let's begin with a quick review of escrow. Escrow is a neutral process in which a third party holds funds and documents until all conditions of the purchase contract have been satisfied. A helpful way to remember this is that escrow acts as the middle manager of the transaction. Escrow does not represent the buyer or the seller. Instead, escrow follows written instructions to ensure the contract is completed properly. Next, let's review the concept of closing. Closing is the moment when ownership officially transfers from the seller to the buyer. At closing, documents are signed, funds are distributed, and the deed is prepared for recording. Many exam questions try to confuse students about when closing actually occurs. The key point to remember is that closing happens when the transaction is finalized and ownership is transferred, not when the contract is first signed. Now, let's review prorations, which frequently appear on the exam. Prorations divide certain expenses between the buyer and seller so that each party pays their fair share. The most common prorated items include property taxes, homeowner association dues, and sometimes rental income if the property has tenants. Here's a helpful shortcut. Think of prorations as splitting shared expenses based on time of ownership. If a seller owned the property for part of the year and the buyer owns it for the rest of the year, the expenses are divided proportionally. Another concept that appears frequently is the settlement statement, sometimes referred to as a closing statement or closing disclosure. This document summarizes the financial details of the transaction. It shows the purchase price, loan amount, closing costs, prorations, and the final amount each party must pay or receive. The exam may also test your understanding of recording the deed. Recording occurs when the deed is filed with the county recorder to provide public notice of the new ownership. Recording protects the buyer's legal claim to the property. Here's an important exam strategy. When you see questions about closing procedures, ask yourself 3 quick questions. Who is coordinating the transaction? What financial adjustments are being made? And when does ownership officially transfer? These clues often help eliminate incorrect answers quickly. Understanding escrow, prorations, and settlement procedures will help you navigate both the Arizona licensing exam and real-world real estate transactions. In the next section of Property Professor's AZ Real Estate Exam Series, we'll move into property valuation and appraisal, where we'll discuss how real estate professionals estimate property value. If you're serious about becoming a licensed real estate agent in Arizona and want mentorship beyond just passing the exam, connect with me. I'm building a team of well-trained professionals who want to build their careers the right way.